All right, B's and G's, welcome back to the DTs. Hope everyone's having a wonderful D. This is just some extra help for your quarter review, okay? Everyone knows these type of problems. You can count on the fact there'll be at least one of them on your quarter test, and this is just one that we've sampled out of the book. One of two complementary angles. The student that asked me to do this one is a very good student, and they particularly said, I get confused when it says one of two because I want to call both of them C. I get that, okay? We don't want to do that. We always start these, if you remember, by saying we have an angle, and in this case we have that angle's complement. Are these two things complementary? Well, not yet, but we're going to make sure that we make them complementary. We don't need to call them both 90 minus x. Here's another way to put it. Are those two things that I just wrote down complementary? Just sometimes. Excellent answer, Alejandro. What do they add up to? Do they add up to 90? What do they add up to? They add up to 180 minus 2x. So Alejandro, when are they complementary? When x equals 45 degrees. Okay? All right, so maybe you didn't understand that. Not a big deal. I'm here to help you with this particular problem. And one of two complementary angles. So we're going to call one of them x, and what are we going to call the other one? 90 minus x. And do we know which one's bigger? Heck no, we don't. It depends on what? It depends on what? It depends on what? How do we know which one's bigger? It depends on x. Thank you. And what do we call x in algebra? The dependent variable. Oh, wow. All these things that we learned that we had no idea what the hell they meant. Okay? It depends on x. That's why it's called the dependent variable. Got it? All right. So now we'll get started with the geometry. Is that true? We don't know it to be true. Is it true in this problem? Definitely not. It says one of two complementary angles has a measure that is 6 more than twice the others. Do I know which one to multiply by 2? I don't. It doesn't matter. So pick a side. What do you want me to multiply by 2? I agree. That's easier. Is that true? It's not. One of two complementary angles has a measure that is 6 more than twice the others. Which one is 6 more, the right side or the left side? One of two has a measure that is 6 more than twice the others. The right side is 6 more. So what do I have to do to make these things equal? Well, I have two options. Kev? That's right. I can add 6 to this side, or I could subtract 6 from that side, and it truly does not matter. Okay? So I'll just leave it like that because we have it. So now let me read it one more time because Michelle looks like I'm wrong, and I probably am. One of two complementary angles has a measure that is 6 more than twice the others. This one has a measure that's 6 more than twice this one, so I better subtract 6. That is correct. Here we go. 2x equals, what am I going to change my c to? 90 minus x minus 6. Just add x to both sides, and you get 3x. 3x equals 84. Therefore, x equals 28. Thank you. And our complement is then, and should I move on to the next question? Heck no. Check it. One of two has a measure that's 6 more than twice the others. So what's 2 times 28? 56. And what's 6 more than that? So I'm going to circle the bigger answer. And now I'm going to move on to the next question like a boss. And I'm about ready to just dominate this quarter test. Boom!